Hello everyone. So as you can see, I have written here arithmetic progression in which I'll be covering the topic of some special series. Okay, so basically in this video I want you to know the sum of some special series. Okay, so it will be really good if you can know the value of their sums so that you can directly use them during your examinations, though these are not required from your school point of view, but for any competitive point of view you can expect questions based on this. So without wasting any time, let me tell you what those series are. So the first series is a very common series, that is a sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, the sum of first n natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, now this is simple. This you can easily find out using the formula of Sn, which is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Let us put the values and check. Number of terms is n because we require the sum up to n terms. First term is 1, so 2 into 1 becomes 2 plus of n minus 1, and d is also 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1, 3 minus 2, that is 1. So our d is also equal to 1. So let us see what do we get. N by 2, 2 plus of n minus 1, which is nothing but equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So the sum of first n natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1 by 2. Now you can put the values of n and you can see whether it is correct or not. Let us take n equals to 3. For n equals to 3, I can easily calculate the sum to be 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Let me put it in the formula. 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2, which is equal to 6, since the formula is correct. Okay, so now let me take you to the second series. Second series is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, that is sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Okay, so the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, I'll again repeat, the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Remember that the series, whatever we are talking in this video, always starts from 1. Okay, so sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, let me, this is not an EP. Okay, don't get confused, this is not an EP. There is different derivation for this formula, but as of now I just want you to know the formula, what it is. And now let us check whether, let us verify whether the formula is correct or not. Let us take it for 3 terms. Say n is equal to 3, so my sum will be equal to 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and 3 square is 9, which is nothing but equal to 9 plus 1 10, 10 4 14. Let me put this in the formula and let me check whether I'll get correct answer or not. N is 3, n plus 1 will become 4, 2n plus 1, that is 2 into 3 plus 1, which will be equal to 7 divided by 6. 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, which will give me 14. Hence the formula is correct. So you can remember this for finding the square of first n natural numbers. The third important series is the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. Okay, that is the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is given as square of n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, I'll again repeat, the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is given as the square of n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula will give you the sum of first n natural numbers, and squaring that gives you the formula of sum of n terms of the cubes of first n natural numbers. Okay, let me again check it for first 3 values. Okay, so n equals to 3, the value will be 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So this becomes 27 plus 9, which is equal to 36. Okay, let me put n equals to 3 in this formula and let me check what will we get. 3 n plus 1 is 4 divided by 2 whole square. Okay, which is equal to 2, which is 6 square, which is 36. Okay, so now I think you got the concept. This formula you can use for finding the cubes of first n natural numbers. Next series is sum of first n odd natural numbers, and after that we have the sum of first n even natural numbers. Okay, so the sum of first n odd natural numbers up to n terms is given as n square. Okay, if you need to find the sum of, say, first 10 odd numbers, okay, you can directly put the value of n as 10, so the sum will be 10 square. Okay, the sum of 10 or first 10 odd numbers starting from 1, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on up to 10 values. The sum will be 10 square, which is equal to 100. Okay, let us see here. Say if n is equal to 3, the sum will be 9. Put 3 here, 3 square is 9. Okay, hence you can get this, and this formula you can easily derive because this is an AP, so you can apply the formula of sum of in terms of an AP, and then you will see that the value is equal to n square. I would suggest you to please try it and please try to derive this relation so that you can easily remember it later on. And the second last thing is the sum of the first n even natural numbers. The sum of the first n even natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1. Okay, say n is equal to 3, it means the sum of first 3 even natural numbers 2, 4 and 6. As you can see, the sum here is 12. Let me see, and let me put the value here. 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4, which is again equal to 12, hence verified. So this formula, you can use it for finding the sum of first n even natural numbers. And the last one that we'll see in this video is sum of any multiplication table. Okay, for example, suppose I have a multiplication table of 5. I know that it is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Say let me take it up to 10 terms. Okay, you know that 10th term is 50. Okay, now if I need to find the sum of this, I will just put it in this formula. Here A is the table of which you want the sum. Okay, now in this table I need the sum of the multiplication table of 5. So for this example, A will be equal to 5. Okay, so I'll just put the values. A is 5. Number of terms I need the sum of is 10. So 10 into 11 by 2. Okay, so I will simplify this. This becomes 5. So 25 into 11, which is nothing but equal to 250 plus of 25, that is 275. So the sum of first 10 terms of the multiplication table of 50 is nothing but equal to 275. Okay, so what you have to do, just whatever multiplication table you need, put it the value here, and the number of terms you need the sum of, put it in this value and get the sum. Okay, say I need the sum of the multiplication table of 7, okay, up to 5 terms. So what will I do? A is 7, so 7 into n will be 5, so 5 into 6 divided by 2. So this becomes 35 into 3, which is equal to 105. So the sum of first 5 multiples of 7 is nothing but equal to 105. Now you can add it and check. You know, the 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. Okay, when you will see, you will find the sum is 105. Hence, I think now you got an idea about the special series. I will request you to please go through them. Please remember the values if possible, because they will help you in solving questions directly in less span of time. So I hope you like the video. Please like it, please subscribe it, please subscribe our channel for more updates and more content. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.